Hello, Noel. So I ask around why you're not in my room ever and you don't talk to me. I ask people that they know you, that they're your friends, and they basically tell me that you don't want to be my friend anymore. That's what they say. They say you do not like me, you do never did, and you do not want to be my friend. So I find that very, very hard to believe when I help you with different various things all throughout the year, and you repay me by just basically just dropping off Earth face. So I just maybe if you just give me a call and or even like a text message or a letter, or email, any kind of way of communicating with me and tell me to my face what I did wrong, because I don't believe I did anything wrong except for maybe be a friend too much. Maybe I did that, but I really appreciate some feedback. So maybe next time I make best friend, I know not to be so nice, because obviously that's the problem here. I was too nice, and you're not a nice person, so you don't like that. You're just you a bitch, I guess. Yeah, I said the word bitch.